Kat belakang saya ini adalah keadaan delegasi Sumut selepas ditahan di Pelabur Ashdod. Kelihatannya ada Haliza Hilmi, Hazwani Hilmi dan juga Harox. Video ni saya ambil dari salah satu laman berita Z. Saya dah translatekan dari bahasa Hebrew kepada bahasa Inggeris supaya kita mudah faham. Jom kita tengok video ni.
All the of the flotilla. These are the terrorists. This is a terrorist. By the way, their ships found a whole ice rink. They didn't really come, not for the flotilla, not to help. Rather, they came from God, from the terrorists.
What is this?
This is their ship. The commissioner is just showing me this. There was a leg sticking out to sea. They are looking for humanitarian aid here. There is one cargo.
What is this? Is this humanitarian aid? I don't see anything here.
There is here, there was one cargo here. As the commissioner says, that's all one big party. What a party they have there. No aid and no humanitarian.
Apa pendapat korang bila tengok video ni? Rasa nak marah tak? Kalau anda rasa video ni bermanfaat, jangan lupa untuk sebarkan pembohongan yang telah dilakukan oleh pihak Z. Perjuangan Sumut baru sahaja bermula. Kita harap dengan adanya gerakan ini, satu dunia akan sedar dan saudara-saudara kita boleh dibebaskan.